Hi everyone, welcome to the final day of our 7-day series. By now, you've probably started to realize something important. Facial anti-aging isn't something you can fix with just one exercise or one product. It's not a single issue, it's a structural one. You may already understand that factors like support, positioning, and tension all influenced how your face looks and feels. But interestingly, this is also where many people start to feel more confused because there are just too many methods out there. One day it's this technique, the next day it's something else. Massage, lifting, exercises, you try everything, but the results feels inconsistent. The problem isn't that you don't have enough methods, it's that you don't have clear path. So in today's video, I want to bring everything together and give you a practical step-by-step structural anti-aging blueprint that you can actually follow. You only need to remember 5 steps. Step 1. Assess. First, understand your dominant structural pattern. Is it mainly a support issue, fat displacement, or loss of tension? In the next video, I will be reviewing the assessment results I've received and creating content based on your feedback. If you'd like me to address your specific concerns, send me your results or questions today. If this is your first time seeing this video and you'd like to find out your type, click the link in the comments. You will receive the assessment in just a few seconds. Step 2. Stabilize. Build your foundational support system. This includes your lower body, core, head, and neck, and mid-face. This is a foundation of everything. Without overall stability, local adjustments won't give you the best results. But once stability is in place, everything becomes much more effective. In the beginning, we train from the bottom up. As you progress, your training becomes more integrated. Step 3. Adjust. Based on your type, choose the methods that are right for you and integrate them into your own system. There is no universal solution, neither for facial anti-aging nor for overall health. Methods are not one size fits all, because each of us is different physically, mentally, and even energetically. The key is to discover your personal wellness code and apply the right approach, rather than blindly following trends. Step 4. Activate. Engage your deep muscles so your structure can begin to support itself. This isn't a one-time step, and it's not just about moving a specific muscle. It's about truly connecting with your body, where your awareness, perception, and physical experience come together. If you are someone who already values inner wellness or personal growth, this step may feel natural. If not, this stage might come with some challenges, and that's part of the journey. This step prepares your body and mind for true realignment. Step 5. Maintain. Use simple daily habits to stabilize your tension system rather than letting it fluctuate. If consistency feels difficult, the key is to integrate those practices into your daily life, so they become as natural as eating or drinking rather than something that take actual time and effort. On the surface, those 5 steps seems linear, and in the beginning, they are, but once you truly understand and apply step 4, everything starts to reorganize into an interconnected system that works for you, uniquely for you. This becomes a journey, not just for your face, but for your entire body and well-being. If you don't want to keep figuring things out on your own, you can follow the simplified structural anti-aging blueprint I've outlined in this video. Take a screenshot and follow it step by step. Start with assessment, understand where you are, then decide what to do. Don't just try things blindly. Many people think they need more methods, but what you really need is a deeper understanding of your own body and a clear direction. Remember this, it's not that you are not doing enough. It's that you don't understand yourself well enough, or your sequence is off. If this 7-day series has helped you, feel free to save it or share it with someone who might benefit from it. And let me know in the comments which step feels most confusing to you right now. I will break it down for you in the future videos. In the upcoming content, I will go deeper into each step so you can truly build your own structural anti-aging system. Follow along and give your effort the right direction.